Welcome to Roundstone Car Sales, a family-run business since the 70s. We give you 12 months warranty plus a 12-month MOT. And all our cars come serviced. We are also trading standards approved, and all cars come HPI checked. Plus, we check all our cars for manufacturers' recalls, and unlike some of our competitors, we never charge admin fees. So, call Jeff and Adrian on 019-0377-6266 and book your test drive today. Are you wanting to feel the wind through your hair and the sun on your face? Then come and take a look around this 2012 Mini Roadster Cooper S convertible. This is a one-owner and comes with full service history and both keys. It is finished in space black metallic with a luxury leather interior finish. It has audio media system and air conditioning, plus Bluetooth and electric front seats and folding electric roof, also electric wind spoiler. This has some great safety features such as ABS braking and multiple airbags. These are just some of the specification, so why not come along and take a look around today.